Hello, my friends. Today we are going to be working with quarter notes, a ta, eighth notes, TT, quarter rest, half note, ta, half rest, rest, a whole note, ta, and a whole rest, rest. So get ready. You can do this clapping or with an instrument. Here's your first rhythm. Get ready, here we go. Next 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 rhythm. Get ready, here we go. That one was tricky because it was a whole rest. Get ready, here we go now. Whole note that time. Next rhythm. Get ready, here you go now. Get ready. Next rhythm. Here you go now. Next rhythm. Get ready. Here you go now. Next rhythm. Get ready. Here you go now. Next rhythm. Get ready. Here you go now. Two measures this time. Get ready. Here you go now. Next rhythm. Here we go. Next rhythm. Here we go now. Lots of rests in that one. Next rhythm. Here you go now. Next rhythm. Here we go. All right, my friends. Good job with our rhythms.